Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy Cathy visiting the Excelsior Hotel located in Alabang, Zapote here in Las Pinas. Grabe, this place is so near my house but I've always ignored it because I thought na yun pala, I was so wrong. Kasi the moment I stepped inside the lobby, I was like, whoa, there's a cafe. And in my mind, coffee shops are like the next best thing. So, like paradise. So, as you can see, this is the lobby. There's a welcome bouquet. Very high-end feels. I mean, it's a little scaled down but very high-end feels. And then, they also have a spa. Syempre, alam mo naman ang lola nyo, mahilig sa spa. Kasi 'di ba, hello, very relaxing. At kapag medyo old ka na, kailangan mo na ng something to relax the bones and the muscles. They also have a lounge in the spa area. Pero as of the time that we visited, it was still closed kasi they were still completing everything. Pero Kuya was very nice, gave me a tour of the place. And then I saw this, the one thing that I need to go to, the gym. At in fairness, for a 4-star hotel, medyo complete naman yung amenities ng gym nila. 'Di ba? As you can see, if you're there for a staycation, workation, at least you get to do some movements. And then they also have a spa. This is where you can do your spa parties. O, di ba naman, kompleto. At least 10 to 12 of you can sit down, relax, enjoy. Gusto mo ng solo time? Pero ka din kwarto. All for yourself. And then, syempre, the ever dearest couples massage. Ito, paborito namin ng husband ko. Kasi, masarap naman talaga magpamasahin magkasama kayo. It's very relaxing, very enjoyable. It's also a good bonding time between you and the husband. Now, after that, pwede rin kayong mag-locker room. Their locker room is super duper nice. O, di ba? Ang laki, in fairness ha. Tapos, very homey din. By the way, this is the men's locker room kasi sarado yung sa women. So, sinilip ko lang sa men. Tapos, in fairness, may para siyang jacuzzi. O, di ba? You can relax. Mag-jacuzzi ka muna after ng workout mo. Tapos, medyo malalim ng very light. And then, meron din silang sauna. Now, yung sauna kasi, hindi ko mahanap yung on ng ilaw. Kaya ginamit ko na lang yung flashlight ng camera ko. Kaya medyo blurry siya ng very, very light. Pero, maganda and maluwag yung space. Tapos, syempre, meron din silang souvenir shop.
Hello mga kabitan! This is Cathy and we are here to shoot sa Hotel Excelsior. This is located in Alabang, Zapote, Las Pinas. And guys, grabe yung room. Ang laki-laki. This is the one bedroom that they have. So as you can see, it has a king-size bed. Ang laki ng computer area, for those na nag-workcation. And then let's go inside the bathroom. Sobrang ganda guys. As in, legit. Malaki ha. Nakakagulat. I was actually expecting na it would be something a lot smaller. Pero mind blown. Like, wow, amazing. And with this Cavite, tinan mo buong CR. Kitang-kita kagad. Ganun siya ka-wide angle, guys. So, nakakatuwa kasi effortless if you are travel blogging. So, for any travel blogger out there, sobrang importante na meron ka nitong V10 kasi kita naman talaga lahat. Now, I will show you guys the sala. Ayan siya. Sobrang wide angle niya, guys. Grabe. And this is the 2-bedroom that they have. Well, not 2-bedroom, but 2 beds. Super lawak, super laki. So, this is perfect for barkada, family, yung mga nagtitipid ng very light, perfect tong room na to. Kasi, grabe. And ayan, see, my little kid, they can run around freely. Walang ka-problema. Say hi! Ayan, mga kavitan, we are back. This time, this is the 1-bedroom suite here at Hotel Excelsior. And in fairness, sobrang well thought of yung pagkakagawa ng layout ng place. So, this is the 1-bedroom. As you can see, you actually have privacy, oh. So, even if you bring your friends, they can just stay there outside. You can draw this. And then, you can spend time here by yourself, with your partner, with your loved one. Tapos, eto, my view. Sana maganda yung view. Try natin. Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan. So, in fairness, May maganda rin namang view. Hindi lang masyadong kumikinang katulad ng other cities, but it doesn't take away from the experience. O, di ba? Kitang-kita natin, ganyan ka-wide angle si V10 ng Canon, guys. And then, here you go. I'll show you naman the sala. So, ayan. Sa mga couch potatoes na nagsistaycation, very nice, very comfortable yung sala nila. The living room area, they have a dining area, they have a small kitchen. It is super nice. The TV is pretty big, as you can see. And then, their bathroom is also well thought of. Though, I do have one comment. Ang lamig ng bathroom. But ayan siya, guys. So, you have the toilet, and then the bath is there. Tapos, ito yung pinakagusto kong part. May parang walk-in closet kind of space. And then it goes straight na to the bedroom. So, at least, you don't have to go out through the living room, through the sala, if you have to go to the bathroom from your room. You have privacy, kumbaga. Diba? So, I like that it's very well thought of. Alam mo, pinag-isipang maigi, hindi basta lagyan lang natin ng hotel or lagyan lang natin ng room. So, very nice. Good job on this Hotel Excelsior. I'm hoping I am pronouncing your hotel correctly. Hi mga Caviten! So this is Cathy again for Canon, and here, I like to show you the buffet area ng Hotel Excelsior. As you can see, sobrang laki nga guys. In fairness, diba? It's a 4-star hotel, pero yung feels niya pang 5-star. It's super nice, super clean, and as you can see, everything is well prepared. Ayan, ayan sila chef sa likuran. And it's really, really spacious. I did not know that it can be this spacious. Kasi I have been passing by this place. And deadma lang ako. Tapos ngayon nagsisisi na ako because it is such a nice place to be at. I'm planning on bringing on my family here because I know they will enjoy. Tingnan nyo naman. O, diba? This is what I love about the V10, by the way. Really wide angle shots. It is super duper nice. It is super spacious here. Ang saya lang. O, diba? Medyo hinihingal ako ng slide kasi ang laki nga, ang laki ng space. And kapag Friday nights, they also have a live band. Doon sila nakapwesto. So, it's really, really nice. It's a date place, it's a family place, it's a barkada place. So, if you are looking for something, please consider. If you are from the south, please consider going to this place.